Hello everyone, welcome back to Eman United Unity videos, and today we are going to make a single jump and also with a double jump in Unity. Alright, let's begin. Alright everyone, let's open our assets folder. Let's click on script. Let's open player controller script. Alright, in our player controller script, let's go on top of here. Let's put this and let's write required component and type of. Let's put this rigid body. Alright, and then let's go down here. Let's write public vector 3 jump semicolon. There's a spelling error here. Vector 3. Alright, let's go down below. Let's write public excuse me. Let's go down here. Let's write public float jump force. Alright, and let's put equal 2.0 f semicolon. Alright, and then let's go all the way down here. Let's write public bool is grounded semicolon. Alright, and let's go in and void start. Down here, let's write jump equal, let's write new vector 3, and let's position it to 0.0 f, and then 2.0 f, and then on the z axis let's put 0.0 f semicolon. Alright, let's save this. Let's go on the Unity. Let's click on player. Alright, so we have the jump here. Let's leave it as this, and also the jump force, as you can see, it's already set to 2. And also guys, on your platform, let's set this to ground. Let's go to layer. Let's add a layer. Let's write ground. Let's save it. Alright, and let's click on them again and make sure we layer them as ground in all the platform that you have. Alright, and let's go back to player and make sure on the player controller on the inspector, let's click is grounded. Let's go back to the script and let's go down here. Let's write void on collision. Let's say collision stay. I don't need all of that. void on collision stay. Let's erase these inside. Let's erase those. Alright, and let's go in here. Let's write is grounded equal true. Alright, and let's go back and void update. Let's write if input that get key down key code let's put space. Let's write space, and let's write n double n is grounded. And then let's put this, and let's write RB that add force jump time jumps force. And then let's write force mode dot impulse, alright, semicolon, and down there let's write is grounded equal false, and let's save it. Alright, let's go back to the game. Alright, let's click on player. Let's check everything here. Alright, everything seems good. Alright guys, let's hit play. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so the player is moving, and let's hit space. Boom, there you go. As you can see, the script is working and the player is jumping, and as you can see in the inspector, every time it reaches the ground is check. See, check. Alright, congratulations guys, and you had made a double jumping script for your players. And remember guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to hit a like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye for now.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn.